the Christmas Terrarium. For this challenge, you'll be bringing your own Christmas scene to life. You're going to create your own micro-habitat in a terrarium. You'll need a container like a glass jar or a bowl, some soil, decorations like stones or shells, plants like succulents and ferns, stones for drainage, a large spoon or garden trowel, some moss, and some rooting powder to help. You could also use some pipe cleaners or colourful string, some LED lights and toys or minifigures. First, take your container and line the bottom with small stones. This will act as drainage for your terrarium. There won't be any holes in the bottom to let the water escape. Next, you'll need to add a thin layer of moss on top of the stones. This helps to soak up any excess water. Place some potting soil on top, as much as you can, but make sure there's enough space for your plants to grow. Stop and think. Plan what your terrarium will look like here. Will there be houses or just a forest? What characters will you use? Which plants will survive? Design the soil to create a landscape. Think about the different levels in your scene. Now add the plants you want to grow. Make sure the plants are small enough to fit into the jar without touching the sides. Think about which plants will go well together here. You can explore outside to take cuttings or collect sticks and pebbles for extra decoration. Then you can add your decorations. If you've got some colourful string or pipe cleaners, try to decorate the fern. You could even add some of your favourite toys to complete the scene. You can sprinkle some white powder over the top of the scene to make it look like it's snowing. Using one of our suggested powders won't be toxic to your ecosystem. If you want to add some extra sparkle, use glitter which doesn't harm the environment. Make sure it's able to break down over time. If you want to add some extra effect, add some LED lights or even make your own backdrop. Think about how you could change the terrarium. What other plants could you use? Tend to your new ecosystem and keep it alive. Place it somewhere it will be warm and get natural light. We'd love to see some examples of your Christmassy scene terrariums. Make sure you share them with us on social media.